Season 4 Episode 3. Classic Caillou pulls the fire alarm at airport/grounded. This video was requested by Slendrina Fan 2024 and the new Plotagon 2011.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Wait, why is the fire alarm going off?
Hey, you! I saw on the security cameras that you pulled the fire alarm. I will steal you to your dad. Sir, your son pulled the fire alarm, and you need to pay $1,000 fine by next Monday for what he did, and if you don't, then you will be in jail for 2 days. Here is your son.
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at the airport? That's it, you are grounded for 5 days. We are going home now.
When they got home.
Go to your room right now, Niwu.
Wah!
Thanks for watching.